Roger!
The Wonderful 101!
Oh, the statue, she's beautiful.
Indeed.
I prefer a woman with a little more meat on her bones.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna touch that one.
Luca! Where are you? Say something!
Luca! Can you hear us? Answer me!
Where is that kid?
This is the last place I expected to see you, Blondie. Are you here for a real woman? Or your silly statue?
June. Show yourself!
I'm afraid you are not my type. The goddess, on the other hand.
Sodolo! This is seriously not good. I'll just hide here and let them take me to their leader. Luca?
I'll teach your goddess a lesson, my old flames.
Hurry, Alice. The Virgin Victory can't take this pressure for long.
Commencing emergency surface.
Engaging unlimited form! Team, unite up!
Stop! Get back here, you miserable brats!
Hope you want octopus for dinner, guys!
Luca! All right, cake face. Hand over Luca.
Blah, 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 you boy. Die!
Extermination! Team, unite up!
Roger!
You will not get away with this, you unattractive vermin!
Not gonna happen.
Don't, Blue! It's suicide!
Unite sword!
That's why you never send a boy to do a team's job! So long, little boy Blue!
Wait!
Blue, why would you do that?
Because I do what I gotta do. I'll make her pay, even if the price is my life.
Luca, you have got some questions to answer for too, young man. Why did you run off like that? I do not know what you were thinking, but do not ever do something like that again. Because I do what I gotta do.
Oh, Blue, such a terrible role model. I guarantee you are a parent's least favorite wonderful one.
You're everyone's least favorite wonderful one.
Wonderful 100, we've got pressing business. Return to the ship immediately. Of course, a cup of tea and a hot shower await you all.
Roger. Team, returning to the bridge!
Has there been anything on this mission that was not pressing business?
Operation 004 complete. Flight path clear. Virgin Victory departing.
Been better.